USDJPY. So like I said, USD has been pretty strong. It's been pretty strong. So what I will look for here is it broke this level. I will wait for it to come back down and test the level to continue bullish, or it might just continue to blow past it and then come here. So that's what I'm doing. That's what I will look for USDJPY, especially if the fundamentals stay bullish. But we gotta also remember that in this upcoming leading into next week, markets might be very crazy because our president is gonna be switching over on the 22nd. So I know it's only the 12th today, but in 10 days we will have a new president. So who knows how markets are going to be. Trump has been becoming more and more active with things that he wants to do, leading up to the switchover. So remember during the pandemic, whenever this man would tweet something, the markets would go bananas. So that's why you have to be very, very patient. Like, very, very patient. Like, the small intraday trades that I keep pointing out, I wouldn't even, try to catch them too much because anything can happen. I would focus mainly on the daily and the weekly. Only take trades at daily and weekly zones. So,